I use an electric kettle every morning, and the Bear Electric Kettle gives me everything I want in a kettle. To start off with, it has a very simple base where you can wrap up the cord and make it as short as you need it to be for your space. And then the kettle itself not only looks great and has this lovely polypropylene exterior, but the entire inside is stainless steel. The top, the spout, the whole inside. So your water never touches plastic. It only touches 304 stainless steel. And to me, that is the most important thing you can get in any kettle, and I'm so grateful for it. This kettle goes up to 1.5 liters, and I am going to fill it right now to exactly 1 liter to time how long it takes to boil. So let's start it up. With a press of a button, this kettle is on its way to giving me boiling water. I usually use kettles in the morning for French press coffee that I cannot live without, and then in the afternoons I will use my kettle again to make hot tea. It only took 3 minutes and 15 seconds to boil a liter of water, and I'm quite impressed. So I'm going to have my afternoon tea. Another key element to a successful kettle is a clean pour, and this spout does exactly that. There was no risk of drip as I poured out or as I tipped it back up. It kept it clean. It is just a beautiful, well-sized kettle for my space, and I know it would be for yours. Gone are the days of rushing to turn off the whistling kettle with the auto shut-off feature, and I love that it won't even turn on if it doesn't have water inside it. The Bear Kettle is a great kettle, and I highly recommend it.